In some of our latest videos, we have focused our attention on some useful products and tech that may be good for anyone wanting budget studio and recording equipment. So today, we have been given this Weeylite WE9 RGB LED ring light. Inside the box, everything comes very well packaged, with a simple user manual, the ring light itself, which we're going to place to the side just for now, but underneath we have an average sized Type-C power cord. There's a mobile phone gooseneck bracket, an adjustable tripod stand with a ball mount head included. Back to the ring lights though, and as well as it being powered via that Type-C power cord, it does indeed have a built-in battery. So yep, we do have a digital display on this light with a power indication level. Now there's a variant light dim dial, light mode selection too, with the power on off and a USB out to help keep your phone charged. Let's go ahead and attach that mobile phone extension and the tripod. And what is great about this overall package is that this light is remote compatible with mobile phone via that Android app, which is downloadable via that QR code within the instruction manual. Although I think it is best to simply download it off the Google Play Store, as the QR code version isn't that easy to download in English. Once connected to that app though, you will have a vast amount of brightness settings, colour tones, and fascinating scene effects. The 132 LED beads illuminate quite bright for such a compact product. It doesn't get that hot after long use, and it does feel solidly built. For its uses, I could see that this ring light could indeed be useful for anyone wanting to record on the go, people intending to film out and about, and with that stand, again it is quite sturdy with that mobile phone mount that's nice and stiff, with the whole thing that is easy to manoeuvre. I mean, it is quite light, weighing just 350 grams. And I guess if you don't want to use it, for example on a tabletop stand, you can simply unscrew it and attach it to your own tripod stand. But yeah, in whole, it's a good package, especially for people wanting to do those selfies, to do those TikTok videos, or YouTube makeup tutorials. It does have a brilliant angle adjustment for those overhead shots, with the price sitting at just £54. That's around 75 in US dollars. Now, the only niggle it did have is a very small one, and that is in fact the app. It did take a bit of messing around just to enable connection. But that's it, that's the only fault with this package. So if I was to rate it out of my usual rating out of 10, then today I've got to simply give it a solid 9 out of 10. Now this was a very quick review of the Weeylite WE9 ring light. If you want to check it out for yourself, I have left a handy little link in that video description down below. So go check it out. I'm not affiliated in any way, and if you like what you see, well why not go get yours. While you're in that video description guys, it'd be mighty fine if you smash that like button. Please subscribe to this channel today, making sure to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now, as we said at the beginning of this video, we have been focusing our attention on budget studio equipment, basically for anyone wanting to set up a YouTube channel or in fact do TikTok, etc. We hope to be doing some more studio equipment tech reviews in the near future, so stay tuned for them. But as usual guys, please stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!